What we have here is a holster that incorporates a pair of Safariland cuffs and a Glock mag. We've placed the retention screw in this open area to reduce the width of the holster. You have very good retention. Most of the retention is in this area here, on this side. The easiest way to reholster is by inserting them this way, pushing them in this way. Take this corner and push it in towards this corner here. We've incorporated this lip here to ease in the reholstering process, and we've also slightly made this back plate slightly higher than the front plate to also ease in the reholstering.